Tired of your truck bed being exposed to rain, snow, and prying eyes? A tonneau cover isn't just an accessory, it's a necessity. But with hundreds of options flooding the market, how do you pick the right one? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 tonneau covers that actually deliver on their promises. These aren't just popular, they're proven performers with real-world testing and thousands of verified buyer reviews. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 1 is the BAKFlip MX4 hard folding tonneau cover. This thing is built like a tank with heavy-duty aluminum panels reinforced with high-density polymer cores, giving you a 22% strength increase over the previous generation. What really sets the MX4 apart is its patented auto latch system. You don't fumble with clips or latches, just close it and it automatically locks. The upgraded lock components add serious tamper resistance, so your gear stays secure. And speaking of security, these panels can hold up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight. That means you can actually use your bed cover, not just look at it. Weather protection is where this cover truly shines. The revised EPDM perimeter seals and tight-fit clamps have been torture tested in temperatures from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Rain, snow, desert heat, this cover handles it all without breaking a sweat. Installation is surprisingly quick thanks to the new click-in rail system, cutting install time by 12%. No drilling required, just clamp it on and you're done. When you need full bed access, the panels fold completely against the cab without blocking your third brake light, which is a detail a lot of covers miss. The MX4 comes with a 5-year hassle-free warranty, and it's made in the USA with globally sourced materials. Check the link in the description box to find the exact fit for your truck model. At number 2, we have the TruXedo Sentry CT hard rolling tonneau cover. This is where premium materials meet that ultra-low profile design truck owners obsess over. The Sentry CT features a matte black woven fabric that's pressure bonded to heavy-duty aluminum slats. This isn't your typical vinyl cover. The fabric has dirt-resistant properties that keep your truck looking cleaner longer. And that matters if you actually use your truck like a truck. The standout feature here is the X15 side rail system with a 15-degree slope. This positions the cover nearly flush with the top of your bed, giving you that factory-installed appearance. It's one of the lowest profile hard covers on the market, and it looks absolutely incredible. Operation is dead simple. Just pull either operation cable at the tailgate and roll it up with one hand. When fully rolled, it sits tight against the cab, giving you complete bed access without blocking your rearview mirror or third brake light. For extra security, there's a supplementary latch at the center of the cover. The potential downside? Rolling covers, even hard ones like this, require you to secure them properly when rolled up. If you're someone who forgets to fasten the strap, it could flap loose while driving. Just something to keep in mind. Made in the USA with a 5-year guarantee, the Sentry CT is perfect for anyone who prioritizes style and ease of use. Links are in the description. Number 3 is the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold tonneau cover. And if you're on a budget but don't want to sacrifice quality, this is your answer. This cover typically comes in under $300, making it the most affordable option on this list. Don't let the price fool you. The T3 is designed for both new truck owners and heavy-duty users who need daily bed access. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars fold up with the cover, giving you full access to your bed in seconds. No removing rails, no complicated mechanisms, just unlatch and fold. Installation is where the T3 really impresses. We're talking 5 to 10 minutes max. The clamp and latch system requires no drilling, no tools, just basic hand tightening. If you can change a light bulb, you can install this cover. The construction uses tear-resistant vinyl with a leather grain finish. It's not aluminum, but for a soft cover, it's surprisingly durable. And here's a bonus. The sleek design can improve your fuel economy by up to 13% on average by reducing drag. Now the consideration here. It's a soft cover, so it won't provide the same level of security as the hard folding or rolling options. If you're storing expensive tools overnight in a sketchy area, you might want to think twice. But for general weather protection and keeping things out of sight, it absolutely does the job. For the price-to-performance ratio, the T3 is almost unbeatable. Check the description for your specific truck model. At number 4 is the TruXedo Low Pro Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover. This cover sits just 3/4 of an inch above your truck bed, making it one of the lowest profile covers available. The Low Pro uses industrial-grade black leather grain fabric that's built to withstand harsh elements. What's impressive is the automatic tension control system. This thing adjusts itself year-round, so you never have to manually tighten it. Set it once and forget it. The one-trigger opening latch makes operation effortless. Literally one finger and you're in. When you need full bed access, the entire cover removes in seconds without any tools. Just unhook it and lift it out. Weather protection is solid. The Low Pro can hold several inches of snow, and the low-profile design means less wind resistance and better fuel economy. Installation is straightforward with no drilling. Just clamp it inside your bed rails and you're good to go. Here's the thing to consider. Like any soft roll-up, it provides basic security. It'll keep honest people honest and protect against weather, but it won't stop a determined thief with a knife. If maximum security is your priority, one of the hard covers would be better. That said, for daily drivers who want quick access and excellent weather protection without breaking the bank, the Low Pro is hard to beat. It's backed by TruXedo's solid reputation and warranty. Links are in the description. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Gator EFX Hard 3-Fold Tonneau cover. This is the Goldilocks of tonneau covers. Not too soft, not too complicated, just right for most truck owners. The Gator EFX features heavy-duty aluminum panels with a scratch-resistant UV-protective black powder coat finish. It can support up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, so you're not babying this thing. The standout feature is the integrated water management system. Rubber seals work with drain tubes to actively channel water away from your truck bed. This isn't passive weather protection. It's engineered to keep your bed bone dry. The design sits flush with your truck bed for that low-profile factory look. When you need bed access, you can fold it to expose 2/3 of your bed or completely remove it using 4 quick-release knobs. No tools, no hassle. Installation takes under 30 minutes, completely tool-free with pre-assembled hardware. The automatic locking system secures the cover when closed, no extra steps required. The consideration here is that while it's made in the USA with globally sourced materials and backed by a 3-year warranty, the warranty is shorter than some competitors. For most users, 3 years is plenty, but if you're planning to keep your truck for a decade, it's worth noting. The Gator EFX offers that perfect balance of features, price, and usability. Check the description for the right fit for your truck. Those are my top 5 tonneau covers for pickup trucks. All Amazon links are in the description box below with current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.